Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a text that will be curved on Canva. I know it has been very hard for a lot of people to create curved text, and I'm going to be taking my time to show you how to get that right away. I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, and then I'm sure you will benefit a lot on this group. And I'm going to start right now. Welcome back. So let's go to the workspace as we explore right away. You all know that the website to explore this is canva.com. Canva is a very great app, and in case you are not that good in using Adobe, CorelDRAW, and so many of those complicated graphics design tools, Canva is good for you. So I'm going to be using Instagram size. So the first thing I want to do, the text. Let me just write first. So I'm writing let me write my full name then. So this is what I'm using, and 80 is too much. Okay, and what am I going to do again? Let me reduce it to about. Okay. I want to resize this. I want to make use of another side. That's not what I'll use. Let me use one of my favorite I'll be deleting everything here to start my exploration. And so what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to, one after the other, separate all these letters. Or you can write them from the beginning, just maybe I will just write Odetola then, and I will copy that letter. Okay, I think it's complete now. D, I need D. D is there. I actually did not see it at all. So what I'm going to do is very simple. Let me first arrange them one after the other back. Let me even make them big somehow. Them to be big. O D E T O. I know one letter is missing. Ola. Okay. So okay, I think I wanted to add something effects. Okay. I want to add color to this. So I'm going to be rotating them one after the other. Or the first thing you are going to do, let's follow this method. Let's go and look for a shape. Let's look for this shape. Let me follow a very good step that I copy this and I paste it back. So I'm pasting the second one. The second one, let me make it another color so that you can see. Yes, you can see it now. So let me bring back my I want this to be taller than this. Okay, that means I will just okay, this is fine. So I will just zoom in, feeds. So the first one I roll, I make it 360 as much as I can. So I have a guideline I'm actually following. I'm following the one on top. The following letter is getting ready to right. This will be the last one to be more curved. The only issue here is that so this is what I'm talking about. With this method you can get the curve, font, and I'm very sure that you find this video of help. So you just delete the rest. Then you look at it again and again whether they are straight. So this is how to create a curve lettering, and I am very sure that you have learned how to do that. So give it a try and I'll be right back with more video. Thank you very much.